We just got a package. We just got a package. We just got a package. I wonder what it is. Hey! I bet you guys didn't know I was a good singer, right? So this package is from IPSY. If you don't know what IPSY is, it's actually a subscription box for beauty or cosmetic products. It has different tiers. I took the smallest one, which is the Glam Bag, and Glam Bag has like 5 sample size products in it, for the cost of 15 US per month, which comes up to like $110 TT, and it's going to allow me to find things that I would never probably have even looked up in the first place. And it's the good thing is that you don't have to commit to a full size product without knowing how you like it or how it performs. So this was my first delivery, and normally every package that I receive I know exactly what's in it, so not knowing exactly what's going to come in this one was really exciting. So I went up the road this morning, got it from my Skyboss company. I paid $76 TT to clear it, and yeah, I'm gonna give you guys a review. This is the January Glam Bag. So first of all, this is the little makeup pouch that it comes with. Every month you get a new makeup pouch. This is the one that I got. It has some texture on it. It's light blue with this gold button. Please don't look at my finger, mind your business. And it's just like a simple little envelope type bag. Very cute, very demure. So the first item I'm going to talk about is this one, because I think this is like a full size. Normally primers don't come like very big. This is, oh, it's only 1 fluid ounce. Could have fooled me. But this is from Pierre Cosmetics. It's the HD Smooth Primer. Yeah, I don't know if you guys have seen it well. So it's supposed to be a pore minimizing primer. So I tried this on under my makeup in the application process. So the consistency is very smooth. It has a very nice consistency. It's very I would say moisturizing. I feel like it has a lot of glycerin in it, which is good, especially if you have dry skin. And I don't know if you know, but if you have a lot of drying products on your face, you can have the effect of your skin kind of getting crappy and looking very dry and stressed out and crinkly, which you definitely don't want. So I think a primer like this would be really nice if you have really dry skin. I have combination skin, so maybe I would use it like on the bottom half of my face and then something else to the top. But I definitely will be using this depending on the setting. If I'm going into a cool place that I'm not going to be sweating a lot or producing a lot of oil, I'll be using this. But it's really nice, the Pierre Cosmetics primer. Okay, so additional information about this primer is that it retails for €24, and it actually, this is the full size. I'm looking at it right now on the internet. This 1 ounce is the full size of it. It is animal cruelty free and non-toxic, which I love. We stand a non-toxic product, okay? All right, so next up in the bag, which I was not expecting initially, but when I peeked at some other people's videos, I was like, okay, so we're getting tools too. Because I mean, if you're gonna pay like a low subscription cost for products to try out, and then you actually get tools that you can add to your makeup bag like indefinitely, then a win is a win, right? So these are the Virtuous Woman brush set, volume 1. And I don't know if you can see, but I'm gonna bring it closer to you. It actually has the names Ruth and Deborah on it. So these two are concealer and blending brushes. First you apply your concealer with Deborah, and then you apply your setting powder with Root. And actually this was a really nice experience because I never used a brush like this, like fluffy brushes, to apply concealer, especially under eye. I normally would use either a blender sponge, or I would use my concealer brush, which tends to be more of a tapered. Yeah, I'm gonna show you what a concealer brush looks like. So it's more of a thin brush, so it's gonna be like that. But with using these, I was able to blend out the concealer so beautifully. And I used 2 different concealers. This one is the Elf Camo concealer, and this one is the LA Girl somebody. just now. Elegant Pro Concealer. Why did I forget that? I'm always saying that. Right, so these are the two brushes. They feel really good quality. They are wooden handles, and I mean, what's not to love? They retail for 36 USD. So I mean, I already have the value, exceeded the value of what I paid for my subscription, and this is not a sample size. This is not a sample item. This is a real item that I'm gonna have added to my arsenal of brushes. Okay, so this next item really surprised me. Yeah. Okay, so this next item really surprised me because I didn't expect them to send me any foundation products. First of all, I'm dark skinned. They've never seen me. Like, why are you gonna send me a foundation product? I can't even pick my own foundation properly, and I'm seeing myself every day. But this item from Pretty Vulgar. What am I doing? Yeah. Wait. It's called Lava Water Cool AF. It's in the color 76 Bear Bay. I mean, all the names are like so cool. Bear Bay Dark. So this is 7 ml, and as you can see, the consistency is nice. It applies really nice and smoothly to the skin, and this color was spot on. Like, I don't even know how they did that. That is blowing my mind. Like, that was just so perfect. It looks stunning, darling. And unfortunately, I just tried to go to the website. I tried to go through the Instagram. The last posted 23 weeks ago, and it seems like they've changed the website completely to something called Blink. This item is no longer sold, so I guess it's discontinued. I guess maybe IPSY was just trying to get out whatever last of the products that they had. So it's sad. I don't know what it retails for, but I definitely will be using that until it's done. Alright, so the next item that I have is really small but so cute, and it matches my nails. It's from Grow Recipe. It's called the Plum Plump Hyaluronic I can't. Plum Plump Hyaluronic Acid. No, they didn't say acid. Plum Plump Hyaluronic Gloss Balm. Trademarked. Anyway, so this is actually just a little lip balm. I used it. It feels nice on the lips. I don't know if it's supposed to cause my lips to be like plump. I'm seeing transform patch lips in one easy step with this non-sticky. Yeah, it's definitely non-sticky hyaluronic acid infused gloss balm for long-lasting hydration and juicy high shine finish. So I can't say that it definitely did have a high shine. It was non-sticky, and there's a slight taste, a slight scent, which I like for lip glosses. It feels extra like fancy. The active ingredients are Kadaku plum blend, so that's nice that they actually put real plums in it, and hyaluronic acid. So I love brands that do that, because a lot of times people call things by colors or scents that they put artificially, but if you actually have the ingredients in it, 10 out of 10 for me. So this is the first item I'm actually using from Grow Recipe, and I like it. I wish I could get some more. So the full size, this is a 2.78 what's the word, milliliter, yeah, 2.78 ml, and the full size is 15 ml. It retails for $22. So of course, on my questionnaire, I said that I love fragrances, and I gave them some notes, or like told them what kind of fragrances I like. So this one is something that I saw all of the girlies got. It's from Memoire Archives Candy Shop. So I guess maybe if it's candy shop, then all of these scents are going to be something like this. So the fragrant notes are apple blossom, sweet pear, rock candy, and whipped vanilla, which I love all of those things. So, and it kind of making me feel snackish right now. This is the bottle, or the tube, and everything kind of matches my nails today. I should definitely keep this color for longer. Yeah. So I sprayed some on my hand about, like, let's see, I think I went for it about 10:30, and I still smell it for sure. This is the atomizer. Woo! A really nice dispense, because I think that's a big issue, especially people who love perfume. they want their atomizer to be like dispersing the perfume in a particular way that affects the longevity of the scent, etc. This is a 34, a 0.34 a 0.34 fluid ounces or 10 ml tube, which I'm definitely going to be using this. It smells like a snack. Like, you're going to smell me and feel like hungry, munchy. All of a sudden, you're going to want baked goods. You're going to definitely want some kind of apple pie. Shout out to my bestie who's like loving on apple pies right now. Because of me, you're definitely going to feel hungry when you see this, when you get this smell, girl. And it also has a kind of powdery like baby fresh scent, which I love, and like undertones of caramel, which I guess that's from the candy apple. So that is all of the items that I got from IPSY, and I'm pretty happy for my first month. Everyone's package is going to be slightly different. Not everyone, because some people's packages are going to overlap in terms of what they're interested in, what items that they wanted. But I'm just overall happy, and I'm glad. I like surprises, so I feel really good that I didn't know for sure what was going to come in these packages, and then I have something that is going to last me a while. Like, something's going to last me a while, and some things I'm going to have until I give them away or they literally disintegrate. So that's it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, I want to see more of these. I'm going to be doing more IPSY unbagging, unboxings in the future. So if you want to see more, please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, join the fam. It's all love over here in the club. We all fam. Alright, so I'll see you next one. Bye.